Hello everyone, you're welcome back again. We're going to solve for the value of m from this beautiful exponential equation. We're given that 5 raised to the power of m minus 1 is equal to 60. To solve for the value of m from this equation, if you look at this equation, here the base is 5 to the power of this, and here we have 60. So there's no way we can make the base to be the same. So we're going to take the log of both sides to either base 5 or to base 10. But in this video, let's take the log of both sides to base 10. So when we do that, we're going to have log of 5 raised to the power of m minus 1, which is equal to log of 60. Now we have successfully taken the log of both sides. So the next thing we're going to do is to recall one of the property of logarithm. We say that when we have log of x raised to the power of y, this is the same as what? Y log x, because this power here is going to go back to multiply the log. So apply this property to the left hand side, this power is going to come back. So we're going to have m minus 1 then log of 5, which is equal to log of 60. So the next thing we're going to do is to divide both sides by log 5, since we are looking for the value of m. So we divide the left hand side by log of 5 and also the right hand side by what? By log of 5. So that this log 5 is going to cancel this log 5. So in the left hand side, we are left with just m minus 1, which is equal to log of 60 then divided by log of 5. So the next thing we're going to do is to take this negative 1 to the right hand side. So when we do that, we're going to have only m in the left hand side, which is going to be equal to 60 can also be written as what? Log of, in place of 60, we can rewrite it as 5 multiplied by 12, which is the same as 60. We do that because here we have log 5. So we look for any number we can multiply by 5 to get 60, which is 12. So everything all over log of 5. Then when we take this 1 to the right hand side, become positive 1. So the next thing, we're going to simplify further because we cannot stop at here. We're going to break it to its simplest form so that we have m will be equal to, recall that log of 5 multiplied by 12, when we have log of a multiplied by b, which is in this form, this can be simplified as what? Log of a plus log of b. So this is the property of logarithm. So as you can see, the numerator is in this form. So we're going to rewrite it in this form. So in this form, it's going to be the same as well. Log of 5, then plus log of 12, then everything over log of 5, then plus 1. So the next thing we're going to do is to recall that when we have log of a, so when we have a plus b over c, this is the same as what? A over c plus b over c. So here, the denominator, the numerator, each term can share this denominator. So when we do that, we're going to have m equal to log of 5 over log of 5, then plus log of 12 over log of 5 plus 1. So now, if you look at log 5 divide log 5, the same thing divide itself is going to be 1. So we are going to have m will be equal to, so this divided by this is going to be 1. Then this 1 plus this 1 is going to be 2. Then plus log 12 over log 5. Recall that when we have, let's write it first, log 12 over log of 5. Remember, we have add this 1 to this 1 to give us 2. So when we have log 12 over log 5, we are going to recall this property that say when we have log of a over log of b, this is the same as what? Log of a to the base of b. This is what a property of logarithm called changing of base. So if you look here, it's in this form. So we are going to transform it into this form where a represents 12 and b represents 5. So this is going to be m will be equal to 2 plus log 12 over log 5 is going to be the same as well, log of 12 to the base of 5. And here is the value of m that satisfies this given exponential equation. And for you to check that truly this answer that we solve satisfy the equation, but you can remind you, if the equation, the option given in the equation, they leave the answer in the logarithm form, so you can check this out in the option. But if you are asked to find the numerical value, so you can just press calculator from here and get your numerical value. But in this case that we solve and arrive at this place, when you press calculator, 2 plus log 12 to the base of 5, we are going to have approximately 3.544 in a situation where you are asked to provide a numerical value. And to check whether truly this value of m satisfy the original given question, we need to copy the question and substitute the value that we find into anywhere we see m. So the original question is 5 raised to the power of m minus 1 is equal to 60. So let's copy the original question. We have 5 raised to the power of m minus 1, which is equal to 60. So at m is equal to 3.544. So this is going to be what? 5 raised to the power of 3.544 minus 1. This one. So if you press calculator, this is going to give us approximately 60. So therefore, this is the true value of m that satisfies this equation. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks.